Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
तो जाओ ना, बनाओ ना क्या।
Stop discussing, children. Good morning, all of you.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yeah, good morning.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning, everybody.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yeah, good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, all of you. So, children, today's topic is synthetic fibers and plastic. Chapter number 13. Now, fibers, you all understand, children? Fibers, fabrics.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, what do we do with these fibers? Fibers से हम लोग क्या करते हैं?
They are used for
Making
making clothes.
They are used for making clothes, carpets.
They are used
They
for
are
making
used
clothes.
for- Very good. And we also utilize it for certain different purposes also, not only clothes, like ropes, like
Carpets.
we can say
Carpets.
carpet. Yes, we can also say surgical instruments.
Curtains.
These all, yes.
Natural
So the
natural bags.
So mattresses, all the things we have different purposes. We are using this these fibers. I'm talking about fibers. Now, children, we in class 6th also or 7th also, we have studied about two types of fibers. How many types of fibers are there? There are two types of fibers. What are
Two
they?
types.
Fiber.
Natural fiber.
Natural and
They are
synthetic.
Artificial or synthetic.
Okay.
Natural and synthetic fibers.
Natural and synthetic fibers. Now, you can also say natural or man-made fibers or natural or artificial fibers. Synthetic fibers, they are also known as artificial fibers. They are also known as man-made fibers. These artificial fibers, they are made by man and they are known as synthetic fibers also. Now here, can natural fibers fulfill the demand of such a vast population?
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Ma'am. No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Why?
No, ma'am.
Why? क्यों नहीं हो सकता? The answer.
Because extraction of natural fibers on a large scale can harm the ecosystem.
How will it harm the ecosystem? कैसे harm करेगा? How will it harm? I want to just know from your side. What's your view? How it is going to harm the ecosystem? They said, first reason why we cannot meet the demand of this increasing population, because natural fiber, we have to grow it in the soil and it will take certain time. and we cannot wait for such long duration for fulfillment of the demand which is there for the vast population. Are you thinking it correct? ये correct reason समझ रहे हो?
Yes,
What?
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Suppose you will sow the seed like we will grow natural fiber through cotton. तो कॉटन को ग्रो करने में टाइम लगेगा, फिर उससे फाइबर उसका थ्रेड बनाने में टाइम लगेगा, फिर उसको प्रोसेस करने में टाइम लगेगा, बट and it will take its own limited time. Plant we cannot put anything and it can grow all of a sudden. ऐसा हो सकता है क्या? प्लांट में हम कुछ ऐसा चीज डालेंगे, केमिकल्स डालेंगे कि वो ओवरनाइट ग्रो कर जाए या फोर्टनाइट
No,
ग्रो
ma'am.
कर जाए?
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Its own time for growth. तो उस ग्रोथ के टाइम पीरियड में सपोज इट इज टेकिंग 3 months 4 months because sowing and harvesting season is there. उसका सोइंग और हार्वेस्टिंग सीजन होता है, उसी हिसाब से वो ग्रो करता है. हम लोग क्रॉप प्रोडक्शन पढ़े थे, उसमें पढ़े थे ना कि कोई भी क्रॉप को ग्रो करने के लिए पर्टिकुलर टाइम चाहिए एंड वो एक सीजन में ही ग्रो कर सकता है. तो अगर मान लो हम कुछ फाइबर्स ऐसा लेते हैं जो कि नेचुरल है और इट इज ऑब्टेन्ड फ्रॉम एनिमल्स और इट इज ऑब्टेन्ड फ्रॉम इंसेक्ट्स लाइक एनिमल्स ऑल्सो. एनिमल आप शीप वुल लेते हो, देन याक लेते हो, बहुत सारे एनिमल्स का हम लोग स्किन निकालते हैं और उसको प्रोसेस करते हैं और हेयर्स को थ्रेड में कन्वर्ट करते हैं. तो दिस ऑल नेचुरल थिंग्स टेक सम टाइम and we have to meet the demand of such large population all over the world. So the necessity of synthetic fibers came into existence. Clear? So this synthetic fibers, they can fulfill the demand or we can make it according to our own necessity. हम अपने necessity के अनुसार उसका production कर सकते हैं. उसका जो बेस प्रोडक्ट है जिससे वो बनता है मटेरियल, उसको हम लोग भी परचेज कर सकते हैं या उसको बना सकते हैं एंड देन वी कैन डेवलप इट इनटू फाइबर्स. देन हाउ इज दिस सिंथेटिक फाइबर्स, व्हाट इज द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ दिस सिंथेटिक, दैट वी विल डिस्कस. हैव यू एवर सीन चिल्ड्रन द
How are you, sir?
why are you talking, who is talking in the class? बात क्यों हो रही है? Aryan, I think, Aryan Kumar, mute your mic. And slowly and gradually I'm seeing children that you all are not attending the class. Class E and F. Prefect, please take care. Very few attendance. Day by day it is decreasing. Warn them that they will not get their attendance even if they are appearing in the exam. एग्जाम में भी अपियर करोगे और अटेंडेंस प्रॉपर नहीं रहेगा तो आपको नहीं मिलेगा अटेंडेंस. Just warn them, all the prefect of E and F section. I'm just seeing that day by day in this class the number is decreasing. Okay, then I was talking that synthetic fibers, how are they made? उसका structure कैसे होता है? Have you seen children the necklace worn by the girls or you can say women? ऐसा necklace कभी देखे हो पहने हुए?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
ma'am.
है ना? So
Yes,
this is
ma'am.
the bead. What do we call it? We call it as a bead. Clear? इसको हम लोग bead कहते हैं. And as it is there in the necklace, जैसा वो necklace में एक दूसरे से chain की तरह attached होता है, in the same way the synthetic fibers are attached. This is like a bead and they are attached like this. As it. This is the structure of the synthetic fiber. ये monomer because it is being attached in only one single row. एक single row में वो attached है and it is known as monomer. इसको क्या बोलते हैं? Monomer.
Monomer.
यही attachment अगर आपको 2-3 layers में होता है If it is attached in 2-3 layers, अगर 2-3 layers में ये attachment होता है, तो अगर ये लार्ज चेन बनाता है, इफ इट इज फॉर्मिंग अ लार्ज चेन, देन दैट इज नोन एज पॉलीमर. इसमें अगर बहुत सारा अटैचमेंट हो जाता है, देन दैट इज नोन एज पॉलीमर. उसको पॉलीमर. And when these polymers, they are getting the process through which these polymers are attached to each other, that process is known as polymerization. Then this monomer you can understand by one example is also given in your book, that the wagons means the train compartment, जो bogie होता है train का, वो एक दूसरे से हाई पावरफुल ये आपको मैग्नेट से अटैच्ड होता है, तो एक दूसरे के बाद वो सीक्वेंस में अरेंज होता है. In the, we can take the example of the structure of the monomer and compare it with that wagon also. Clear? So what is it? That it is a simple structure in which a long chain of beads or a long chain of monomers attached. If it is simple, then it is monomer. Single line hai or single sequence hai, that it is monomer. More than single sequence agar hai, to wo that is known as polymer. And that process of attachment of these beads in several sequence is known as polymerization. Clear hai?
Yes, ma'am.
And this polymer can after being joining of these small molecules, when these polymers develop, then they are capable of meeting the demand of the increasing population, because we can make it according to our necessity. मान लो अभी कोई फैक्ट्री में जहां फाइबर्स बनता है, वहां कोई ओवरनाइट आपको कोई एक बहुत हेवी रिक्वायरमेंट आया कि आपको 15 दिन में और 1 month में you have to prepare this much quantity of a very large quantity. कोई बहुत ज्यादा बड़ा ऑर्डर आया कि आपको इतना क्विंटल ऑफ क्लोथ चाहिए या फाइबर्स चाहिए, जो भी चाहिए, तो आप क्या करोगे उस सिचुएशन में? यू विल मेक अ स्ट्रैटेजी. आप एक स्ट्रैटेजी बनाओगे कि अगर हमको उस डिमांड को फुलफिल करना है, तो नंबर ऑफ वर्कर्स हम लोग इंक्रीज करेंगे और नंबर ऑफ hours of working we can increase to fulfill the demand. But is it possible for the natural fiber, by increasing the number of person also or increasing the number of hours also, can we develop the natural fiber?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No,
ma'am.
not
No,
possible.
ma'am.
So that
ma'am.
is why synthetic fibers are much more convenient, or you can say the production is convenient, or that is why its utility has increased day by day. Clear? Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now we will study about different types of synthetic fibers. Now children, when we go to the market, ऐसे अभी हम लोग लॉकडाउन में उतना मार्केट नहीं जाते हैं, लेकिन तब भी जो जरूरत का सामान होता है वो खरीदने तो जाते ही हैं. सपोज कर लो आपके घर में शादी है, तो आप जाते हो मार्केट, तो व्हाट डू यू सर्च फॉर? a new type of fabric, a new नया कुछ brand, नया कुछ कपड़ा, नया तरह का texture. You ask your cloth shop, in your cloth shop where you go, कुछ नया variety आया है, बोलते हो ना?
Yes,
You
ma'am.
get fascinated
Yes,
by
ma'am.
new type of fabric, new type of clothes. So children, this cloth industry is developing different types of fabric day by day. और ये डेवलपमेंट कैसे होता है? बाय मिक्सिंग 2 or 3 टाइप्स ऑफ सिंथेटिक फाइबर्स. सो व्हाट आर द बेसिक सिंथेटिक फाइबर्स? बेसिक सिंथेटिक फाइबर्स क्या क्या है? वो वैरायटीज हम लोग पढ़ेंगे। और आप जब मार्केट जाते हो टू परचेज योर क्लोथ, तो आप देखते होगे कि एक नया तरह का कपड़ा आपको दिख रहा है, तो यू गेट फैसिनेटेड बाय दैट एंड यू लाइक टू परचेज दैट। तो वो दैट एक्सपेरिमेंट गोज ऑन in this field, or by mixing and matching of the different types of fibers. So here we will discuss the first type of fiber, that is rayon or artificial silk. Here one question now arises. Why we are not using the natural silk? Natural silk हम लोग क्यों नहीं यूज करते हैं, जो हम लोग आर्टिफिशियल सिल्क की तरफ चले गए या रेयन यूज कर रहे हैं? बताओगे कोई?
Because it is costly.
It is very costly, yes, of course. ठीक है। और कुछ? देखो, अगर हम नेचुरल सिल्क लेते हैं तो इट विल टेक मच टाइम, बहुत लार्ज टाइम लगेगा आपको उसका कोकून डेवलप करने में, फिर उसमें से आपको सिल्क थ्रेड निकालने में, फिर उसका बहुत लंबा प्रोसेस है। और एंड वी कैन नॉट शॉर्टन दैट प्रोसेस। उस प्रोसेस को हम लोग शॉर्टन भी नहीं कर सकते हैं, बिकॉज इट इज अ नेचुरल वे, इट इज अ नेचुरल प्रोसेस। That is why we are switching to a similar texture of silk, which is known as artificial silk. Now, in this artificial silk, what is used? What is the chemical used? What is the material used? Which gives a texture of artificial and which is also looking like a silk, which is actually an artificial silk, but it is looking like silk. वो एक आर्टिफिशियल सिल्क की तरह है, तो उसमें हम लोग कौन सा मटेरियल यूज करते हैं जो सिल्क की तरह लगता है?
Wood plum.
Rayon,
Wood pulp.
wood pulp.
Wood plum.
Wood pulp.
केमिकल ट्रीटेड
Wood pulp.
वुड पल्प। कुछ केमिकल लेते हैं और वुड पल्प लेते हैं। वुड पल्प मतलब पेड़ की छाल से जो वुड निकलता है उसका पल्प बनाते हैं, उसको मिक्स करते हैं केमिकल में, और तब वो डेवलप जो होता है फाइबर, दैट इज लुकिंग मोर और लेस लाइक अ सिल्क। एंड दिस फाइबर व्हिच लुक्स लाइक सिल्क is also known as rayon, or sometimes it is also known as regenerated fiber. Now, why is this name regenerated given, children? Regenerated name क्यों दिया गया है उसको?
Because we can
Because
regenerate
it is a
the
modified version of silk.
silk-like fiber.
Yeah, it is because it is generated and it is made by mixing it with some chemical, and then it is produced. That is why it is named as regenerated. Because we are going to match it with the natural fiber. We are trying to match it with the natural fiber. Those who cannot afford to purchase silk, which is very costly, then they can use this artificial silk, which is in cheaper, but its texture is almost similar to the silk. Now then comes, what are the uses of this rayon or artificial silk? First of all, it gives the feel or texture of silk, wool, cotton and linen, and it is often mixed with cotton to make bed sheet or mixed with wool to make carpets. Then it is smooth and comfortable, cool and comfortable, and it can be easily dyed in very wide range of color, bright colors. Why do we use this bright colors? Because we get fascinated by the bright colors. We like to wear bright colors. Then it is also comfortable to wear in summer season, and as it is capable of absorbing sweat. Then we can also make dresses, jacket, linen, suit, hat, etc. from this. And it is also used in surgical product. What is this surgical product, children? Do you understand?
Mask.
मैम सर्जरी में यूज करने वाला
हाँ, which is utilized in surgery or used by the medical department. जो medicine department में thread का use होता है, वो भी इससे बनाया जा सकता है. and tire cord. Tire cord भी इससे बनता है, ठीक है. Rayon is also known by names like viscose rayon and art silk in textile industry. इसको टेक्सटाइल इंडस्ट्री में विस्कोस रेयन बोलते हैं या फिर आर्ट सिल्क भी बोला जाता है. यू कैन व्हेन यू सर्च इन ऑन नेट पर आप आर्ट सिल्क का बहुत सारा वैरायटी देख सकते हो. Now is it clear children? Points are clear till here?
Yes,
यहाँ तक
ma'am.
आपका point
Yes,
clear?
ma'am.
Yes,
Now
ma'am.
we will talk about the second synthetic fiber, that is nylon. ये नायलॉन की बात करेंगे. So this is truly artificial. ये सचमुच में artificially बनाया गया है and it is first fully synthetic fiber. ये पहला fully synthetic fiber है और इसको नायलॉन इसलिए के साथ साथ इसको वंडर पॉलीमर भी कहा जाता है. Then it is named. Why is this named nylon? इसको नायलॉन क्यों बोला जाता है?
Nye represent the country New York and
Because
Lon
nylon
represent the
represent
country
London.
London, because these two countries were part is.
Cities.
हाँ, they made the effort to build, make this or prepare this. That is why this was known as nylon, was named as nylon. Then what are these uses? In this chapter, you have to know about its structure and its uses. This is only very important. आपको इसके structure के बारे में जानकारी लेनी है and then you will have to know about what are the various uses. Nothing more is there in this chapter. So only you learn about different types of uses of different varieties of synthetic fibers. Then what is its uses? High elastic tensile silk-like appearance. It is used for carpet, to make socks and hosiery items. Hosiery you all understand?
Yes, ma'am. मोजे की तरह बने हुए सामान.
Undergarments. Whatever undergarments we are using. Then nylon is used in military application like making of ropes, parachutes, etc. It is highly durable and its fibers are used for making seat belt, tire cord and clothes also. These are the uses of nylon. Then it is also used.
Artificial fibers. These fiber are also called synthetic fiber or man-made fibers.
So clear till here? यहाँ तक clear है?
Yes, ma'am.
मैम मोनोमर्स मैम फिर से समझा दीजिए ना.
कौन
Yes,
सा?
ma'am.
देखो, we in
Monomers.
this topic, हाँ बता रहे हैं. Monomers are single necklace. आप देखे हो ना? मोनोमर्स में
Yes,
तो अभी हम
ma'am.
लोग आ रहे हैं. अभी पहले दो तरह का, दो वैरायटी ऑफ फाइबर्स होता है, नेचुरल फाइबर एंड सिंथेटिक फाइबर. सिंथेटिक का मैन मेड फाइबर. और सिंथेटिक फाइबर्स का स्ट्रक्चर कैसा होता है? तो इट इज मेड लाइक अ बीड्स ऑफ अ नेकलेस. तो आपका नेकलेस में, नेकलेस कभी देखे हो? कभी मोती की माला पहने देखे हो किसी को?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
आप लोग ऑल ऑफ यू. तो वो कैसे होता है? थ्रेड में उसको एक के बाद एक सीक्वेंस में अरेंज किया जाता है, या आप ट्रेन का कंपार्टमेंट, वैगन्स ऑफ द ट्रेन वो देखे हो? तो वो क्या होता है? एक दूसरे के पीछे एक दूसरा वैगन अटैच्ड होता है बाय हाई पावरफुल यू कैन से मैग्नेट. तो इस तरह से जो जॉइनिंग होता है, एक सिंगल चेन ऑफ जॉइनिंग होता है, दैट इज नोन एज मोनोमर्स. उसी तरह का अरेंजमेंट, मतलब बीड्स की तरह का ही अरेंजमेंट या वैगन की तरह का ही अरेंजमेंट सिंथेटिक फाइबर्स के स्ट्रक्चर में होता है, दैट इज नोन एज मोनोमर. और जब ये नंबर ऑफ चेन्स होते हैं, देन दैट इज नोन एज पॉलीमर. उसी को जब नंबर ऑफ बीड्स हो जाता है तो उसको हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं? पॉलीमर्स. एंड जब इस प्रोसेस, हाँ, और जब इस प्रोसेस को, पूरे प्रोसेस में जो बीड्स का अरेंजमेंट किए या नंबर ऑफ बीड्स का अरेंजमेंट हुआ, देन दैट प्रोसेस इज नोन एज पॉलीमराइजेशन. उस प्रोसेस को पॉलीमराइजेशन. इज इट क्लियर नाउ?
Yes, ma'am.
Who was asking? कौन पूछ रहे थे? उसको क्लियर हुआ कि नहीं?
Yes, ma'am.
Then read it. हाँ ठीक ठीक है, चलिए सिंथेटिक फाइबर रीड करो.
Synthetic fibers. Let us consider certain examples. Look at a necklace made up of beads joined with the help of a thread. Alternatively, observe the toy train formed by joining its wagons. Is there any similarity between the beads in a necklace and the wagons joined with one another? In both cases, a long chain of things, such as beads or wagons, has been joined. It has now been found that natural fibers are made from simple molecules called monomers. These monomers join in a large number to form a long chain molecule called a polymer. A synthetic fiber is also a chain of small units, monomers joined together. The process by which a polymer is made by joining a large number of small molecules is called polymerization. Man-made polymers have been developed to meet the ever-increasing demands of present-day civilization. Do you know the word polymer has a Greek origin where poly means many and mers or meros stand for small unit or part? Do you know, in addition to natural and synthetic polymer, there is yet another class of polymers called semi-synthetic polymers. They are obtained from natural polymers by subjecting them to specific chemical processes. For example, vulcanized rubber is an example of a semi-synthetic polymer formed by mixing molten rubber and molten sulfur under specific conditions. Different synthetic fibers. Let us now study about the different types of synthetic fibers and their uses in some details. Rayon or artificial silk. You have already read in class 7 that silk fiber obtained from silkworm was discovered in China. Fabric obtained by silk fiber is quite costly. Its texture is very beautiful. Later on, attempts were made to make silk artificially. By the end of 19th century, scientists were successful in their attempts. A fiber having properties similar to that of silk was obtained by chemical treatment of wood pulp. This fiber was called rayon or artificial silk. The raw material used in the preparation of rayon is wood cellulose, which is a natural fiber. This natural fiber is processed to obtain a silk-like fiber. Therefore, rayon is sometimes also called regenerated fiber. Rayon is thus not completely an artificial fiber. Its raw material is a natural fiber. Uses of rayon. First, rayon can imitate the feel and texture of silk, wool, cotton, and linen. Hence, it is often mixed with cotton to make bed sheets or mixed with wool to make carpets. Rayon fabrics are smooth, cool, and comfortable. Rayon can be easily dyed in a wide range of colors. Third, it is suitable for wear in summer because its fabric can absorb sweat. Fourth, it is used in making apparels like dresses, jackets, linings, suits, hats, etc. Fifth, it is widely used in industries, in surgical products and tire. Do you know? Rayon is also known by name like viscose rayon and art silk in the textile industry. Nylon. It is a truly artificial man-made fiber. It does not use any natural fibers such as its raw material. It is the first fully synthetic fiber. Nylon is also called the wonder polymer. Do you know? The term nylon is named after two cities, New York in USA and London in Great Britain. Nile stands for New York and Lon stands for London. It was so named as this fiber was developed by the collective effort of scientists of these two countries. Uses of nylon. It is highly
Okay, wait a
elastic,
minute.
tensile, and has
Wait.
silk.
Wait, just wait. I want to say one thing. I have corrected copies, your test copies of 8F. 8F का copies मैंने correct किया. Then a very simple question was there, and still you have cut short the question in of 3 marks also. 3 marks में एक में तो आपको केवल name देना था last one, और एक में आपको लिखना था the 3 conditions where the combustible substance can burn. तो आपको ये आंसर इलेबोरेट लिखना था. Most of you, only few have written it very nicely. बहुत अच्छे से लिखे हो, but some of you have just made a mess. आप लोग क्या करते हो? What are you doing? Children, when you are getting discussion in the class, then why are you answering like that? इतना simple question अगर नहीं answer कर पाओगे, only one chapter, then what will you do in your exam, which is coming in September? जो आपका terminal exam होगा, उसमें क्या करोगे जब उतना सारा chapter आपको पढ़ना होगा? Just pay attention. One chapter, you don't take it very carelessly. और हम देख रहे हैं कि आप लोग लगता है अपने parents से signature भी नहीं करवाते हो. You just try to touch and appear in the class. और fuel का definition नहीं पता है, combustion का definition नहीं पता है, then what are you doing? Children, please pay attention. You are hampering your own self. अपना self hamper कर रहे हैं. We are here to tell, your parents are there to tell, but करना आपको है. You have to do it and understand the situation. Nobody will be on your head. ये आपके सर पर कोई नहीं रहेगा जो आपको बार बार बोलेगा, and you are not in the physically in the class that we will scold also, and we are not there to scold. आपको पढ़ना है तो आपको आगे बढ़कर उसकी responsibility लेनी होगी. I have to learn. And how you have to learn? By going through the book. जब chapter समझ रहे हो, class attend कर रहे हो, why are you writing like that in such a simple question? So simple. अच्छा ये बताओ, उससे simple कोई question हो सकता था उस chapter में?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Even कोई twist भी नहीं था. No twist was there. Only 4 questions you have to answer, and that also in a very few, you can say, lines or few words only you have to write, and that also you all don't write. So कैसे चलेगा? So please be careful, children, from the next time. 2-3 marks you are getting. Some of you are not, even after seeing the question paper, you are not attending the question paper. Scene आपका दिखाता है इतना number, but you are not appearing in the exam. So we will have to then contact your parents. तब आपके parents को contact, and you give